In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Rogue Genesia on your PC. If you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So open your Google browser already. And before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. After that, we are going to the search bar and we need to locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed to another website. So search for Steam, go to Steam, after that search for the game Rogue Genesia. And as you can see, it is over here. So we will scroll a little bit down and there you will see that this game is a paid game of 14 euros. So the next step is go to the video description and there will be a link with find game. Click on that link and you will be redirected to this site. After that, search for the same game, Rogue Genesia. Once you have done this, go to games on the left side. After that, sort by and then lowest price first. And as you can see, this game is on this website only 10 euros and it can be activated in your country. It needs to be marked green if it's able to be activated. So once you're there, click on this game and now you can buy this game for just 10 euros and 77 cents instead of 14 euros. So that is how you save a lot of money on downloading games. And once you have purchased this game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to activate this game through Steam. So that is basically the same game but a lot cheaper than on Steam itself. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!